tomorrow, yeah.
Here's Anya assisting at her first birthing.
What do you think, Anya?
Fun.
What's happening?
She's having kittens. And then meowing.
There they are. You can hardly see them because they're all black.
They camouflage. Camouflage.
This is pretty cool, or what?
Yeah.
You could go over there next to me.
Look at all that blood. See that? Gross.
What do you think of that, Nico?
Awesome. Gross, but cool.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah. They're all climbing around in there.
There's a little one rolling around right there. And of course she's on my bed.
It's okay. Over there. Like, you're blind.
There you go, Anya. You see it?
Oh, there it is. There's another one.
Black.
Number 4.
You can only see a little bit something shiny.
This one is rolling over there.
It's okay.
Like a white liquid.
What just happened, Anya?
She had another kitten. Now there's 4 kittens.
Yay. Good job, Midnight.